We're up against two of them now. We have to get out of this somehow and treat Asuma fast, or else...
Looks like we're in the money for a change, Hidan. Who'd have thought we'd find this many bounties?
We're in the money? This from a guy who just waltzes in and takes my prey? Come on!
Go on. Run. I'll hold them.
What are you talking about? Quit trying to sacrifice yourself!
I'm still...
Forget that! For now, just focus on surviving! I'll take care of these guys.
Hey now, what's this? You think you can stop us, do you? There's no way!
We won't know until I try it, will we?
Believe me, I know. I don't need to see it.
Enough talk, Hidan. Just finish him.
Yeah.
Asuma, I'll protect you if it's the last thing I do. What a drag, but complaining isn't an option this time. Asuma, run! I'll watch your back!
Mission stuck.
Thanks.
The gate's open. Captain Asuma, this way.
Right.
The Guardian Shinobi 12. Make sure we get the bearded one.
They were the elite, right? Protected a feudal lord? He didn't seem that tough.
It doesn't matter how tough he is. What matters is how much he's worth. We can sell him for a lot. Don't let him get away.
Money grubber. You jerks! That hurts, you know!
It's our lucky day. All these bounties just falling in our laps.
Money, money, money. What about my sacrifice, huh?
Sacrifice later. For now, we go after bounties.
Man, you're beyond help. I'm immortal!
This guy's nuts!
Little punk. That's it for me. Hidan, go on ahead.
Hurry up and die, will ya?
It's not gonna be as easy as that. I'll lose against these creeps unless... There must be something I can do.
What are you thinking about? A suitable greeting for Lord Jashin? You jerks! That hurts, you know! You guys are seriously bad losers.
You think we'd give up that easily? When our lives are on the line? Isn't our backup here yet?
I'm immortal!
This guy's nuts.
Captain Asuma's been surrounded. Shikamaru, you have to protect him.
On my way.
I can't let you go. Come on. Lord Jashin's tired of waiting.
What do I care? There's too many of them. How do I handle all of them?
Hang in there, Shikamaru. Our backup will be here soon.
No good. That's not gonna work. You jerks! That hurts, you know.
How do you like this? Shadow stitching.
Lord Jashin, watch this. I'm immortal.
This guy's nuts.
Shadow stitching jutsu!
I'll protect Asuma. I will.
Shadow stitching jutsu!
Isn't our backup here yet?
Does it hurt? It hurts, does it?
It hurt halfway! There it is, warp!
I'll protect Asuma. I will.
I can't die here.
You jerks! That hurts, you know.
Shadow stitching jutsu!
These guys have any weak spots?
How do you like this? Shadow stitching jutsu!
Isn't our backup here yet? Don't these guys have any weak spots? I'll protect Asuma. I will. Isn't our backup here yet? I'll protect Asuma. I will.
Shikamaru, come back! He's safe!
Right.
Mission complete.
Asuma, you alright?
Quit worrying about me.
Shikamaru!
We're here to help.
Ino! Choji!
What's this? The cavalry? More sacrifices. It's Lord Jashin's lucky day.
None of these weaklings will be worth anything.
So they're Akatsuki! Ino, take care of Asuma. Choji and I will buy time. Right!
Struggle all you want. It's still gonna end here.
We're running late. Hurry up and finish them, Hidan.
Sir, just a little more time. We're about to get to the good part.
Enough, Hidan. We'll be back soon, so prepare yourselves.
Some leader. One of these days, I'm gonna put a curse on him.
They retreated? Choji, never mind them. Get to Asuma!
They hit a vital spot. I can't.
No. Listen. Don't even bother trying to heal me. I wouldn't make it anyway. I can feel it. And I bet you three. You can feel it too, can't you?
Asuma.
I've got something I want to tell you three.
Stop it, Sensei. Just stop talking, will you?
Choji. Ino, you too. Listen closely to Asuma-sensei's words. His last words to us.
Ino.
Yes.
You're bossy. But you can also be a compassionate caregiver. Choji and Shikamaru, they're so awkward and clumsy. Watch over them.
Yes, sir.
And make sure you don't ever lose to Sakura. Not in ninjutsu or in love.
I won't.
Choji, you're a thoughtful, loyal friend, and a kind soul. In time, you'll become a stronger ninja than anyone else. So be more confident in yourself.
Got it.
And another thing, you might consider losing a few pounds.
I don't know if it's possible, but I'll try.
And finally, Shikamaru. You have a razor-sharp intellect, and you have the instincts of a great shinobi. You are truly worthy of becoming Hokage. Though, you'll probably try to avoid it. Since you'd find the job such a drag. All those games of shogi, and not once could I beat you. Which reminds me, Remember when we talked about the king? I'm going to tell you who the king is. Lean closer.
Asuma, you... So that's why.
I'm counting on you. Shikamaru, Choji, Ino. I'm so glad I met you. Kurenai, thank you.
There was still so much I wanted to learn from you. How could you just...
Let's go.
Ready, Shikamaru?
Yeah.
Hold it! Where do you think you're going?
Your orders still stand. We've assembled a new team, and we're headed out to complete our mission.
Not without my approval, you're not. Asuma's dead. There's just the three of you now. The basic unit is a 4-man team, without a squad leader.
Asuma is still with us.
What are you planning? Some kind of vendetta? That's not like you. You really want to throw your lives away?
We're not idiots. We don't plan on this being a suicide mission. It's just...
Just what?
We don't intend to run away from our duty just so we can stay alive. Our lives would have no meaning then.
Grow up. The shadow of death hangs over every ninja. Some deaths may be harder to accept than others, but unless you get past that, you have no future as a ninja. Perhaps you didn't hear me. So long as there are only 3 of you.
But if there are 4, then it's all right. Eh, Lady Tsunade?
Kakashi!
I'll take over as leader of Team 10 and go with them. Fair enough?
You...
Don't worry. I won't let them do anything stupid.
Oh, all right.
Go ahead.
Thanks. Well, Team 10, shall we get going?
We owe you, Kakashi-sensei. Big time.